Let's see how to remove a section break in Microsoft Word. First, we want to open up Microsoft Word. And then, as you can see here, there is a lot of text. And for example, we want to separate these texts into different sections. So to separate them into different sections, we have to add a section break. Right here at the Layout tab, we can click on Breaks and click on the next page. And as you can see, it has moved to another section. And for example, we want to remove this section break, but no matter what we do, no matter how we try to backspace it, it doesn't go back to its original spot. So what we can do here is, first of all, go over to the Home tab and click on this icon right here to show all non-printing characters. That will show the section break right here. The next thing we can do is simply click on this section right before the section break and then press delete on our keyboard. And as you do that, you'll notice that the text previously that was in another section has now combined with the previous section. I hope this helped, and I hope you learned something about removing section breaks. See you soon!